speech is still happening. We're gonna connect in so many different ways. Speech has always been a community. On this online format, I don't think that's going to change at all.
Many people would think of speech as something like what we present in classes with information and persuasive writing type stuff. But there's more to it than just that. There's 6 acting categories that you can go into, such as duo, where you work with a partner on performing a piece, or poetry, and drama, where you perform a play.
So when there isn't a global pandemic going on, our team has the opportunity to do different traveling tournaments. So we're able to go to places like Harvard or Florida and Chicago. So you just get to meet so many different people and you get to learn from them and create different connections with everybody over the country.
Outside of school, there are so many opportunities that you can use your skills from speech in the real world.
The community in speech has helped me grow as a person because it's allowed me to explore my sense of self. I'm more aware of what my beliefs are and who I am as a person, and I'm more confident to show others who I am.
It's so much easier to speak to people and speak to strangers, and it's really increased my confidence in front of a crowd and make me feel like I can stand on my own.
Join the speech team!
Come join the team, make new friends.
Come join our speech team, we'd love to have you!
We'll see you at our informational meeting.